Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Giselle. If you haven't been here, welcome to my channel. So today I am showing you guys my updated skincare routine. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, I mentioned on there that my skin has completely changed. I feel like my skin has gotten a lot drier. Maybe it's because it's winter or because I'm getting older. So I had to completely change my routine. So I'm going to show you guys in this video what I'm using. But in the meantime, I'm putting on some whitening strips just because I have not done that in a while. And I love sweet tea and I've been drinking a lot of coffee. So we need to whiten my teeth just a little bit with these Crest whitening strips. But anyway, so I do everything in the shower just because I think it's so much more cleaner and I hate having water running down my arms. But this is a Purito cleansing oil. This is a game changer, guys. So I love that I don't have to use a rag or anything. It's just oil that I put onto my hands and it melts away all the makeup and even waterproof mascara. And for facial cleansers, I have two. So one is more affordable, you can say, and then the other one's a little bit more pricier. The one I like from the drugstore is CeraVe. I'm a huge fan of this brand. You guys already know if you follow me. But this one by First Aid Beauty is also one of my favorites. It feels so nice on the skin. They're both very gentle, so I highly recommend. It just depends on your budget, but I personally love both. And of course, I'm going to leave every product that I'm mentioning in this video down in the description box so you guys can just click and buy it. I'm also sharing some of my favorite body lotions. This one is from La Roche-Posay and then the other one's by Nivea. I love both of these. Murad is another brand I have been obsessing with, and I've been loving their Essential C toner, which it claims to rehydrate and just refreshing your skin. And toner is really important because it helps rebalance your pH in your skin, so make sure you involve a toner into your skincare routine if you don't already. I want to give a quick shout out to my reusable cotton rounds. I really love them. I will also leave a link down below. But now for face cream, I use this First Aid Beauty, what is it called? Let me see what it's called. The Ultra Repair Cream, and I mix it with the Murad Infusion Oil. It just honestly boosts like the hydration of the cream that it already has, and it leaves my face looking super glowy, and that's what I want to look like at night. I want to feel super hydrated, so I love mixing both of these items together. I also haven't found like a favorite eye cream yet, so I just put whatever I have left onto my eyelids, and then I like to massage my face, give my face a little, TLC, and then I like to drag it onto my neck. It's so important not to neglect your neck, okay ladies, make sure you do that. And then I just rub the rest onto my hands because we don't want to waste any of that good product. I'm also going to link these pimple stickers. I found these on Amazon, but I love applying them onto my pimples. And I also like to apply every other day this lash serum that I've been using for like 4 years now. It's by the brand Grande Lash, and I swear by it. And then I like to brush my eyebrows just because. I didn't do it today, but I love to shave my face with these facial razors, and I like to take off my sideburns, my upper lip hair, and on top of my eyebrows, like where I have little peach fuzz. Alrighty, so it's the next day, and I just wanted to show you and include in the video what I do in the morning. So I go to the bathroom and I honestly just rinse my face with cold water. I don't wash my face with any soap just because I feel like my skin feels good. Honestly, I don't think I need it. Before I put makeup onto my face, I like to put a little bit of skincare on before. So I'm showing you this Murad SPF lotion. Now they have two versions. There's this hydration one, which is like in the reddish bottle, and then the one with the blue tag on it is for oily skin. So right now, because my skin is more dry, I use the hydrating one, of course, and it leaves my face feeling so nice, guys. Like I have this glow after I apply it, and it just looks so nice on my skin. I totally recommend you guys checking out Murad if you haven't already. Now, I always use SPF, but on days where I'm going to a party and I know I don't want any SPF into my lotion, I use this one by Tatcha. It's the water cream, and this one has no SPF, so there's no chance of you getting any flashback. Now, sometimes I like to put in this Bronzy Drops by the Drunk Elephant brand. It's so nice, guys. Like, it comes off a little brown on the hands, but once you blend it into your face, it gives you the slightest little tint, and it makes your skin look so nice and healthy. Because I don't know about you guys, but when I have a tan, I feel like I honestly don't need a lot of makeup. So this is kind of like that. It gives you the illusion that you're tan. Yeah, I really like this product, and sometimes I just do this, and this is honestly all I wear. And then I just kind of brush my eyebrows and then curl my eyelashes, put a little bit of lip gloss, which I love these glosses by the brand Bath and Body Works. So these are so nice. They're really hydrating, leave your lips looking so glossy. So on this day, I really didn't want to put any makeup on, so I just left it like this, and I'm going to show you how I look like in the natural lighting. There you go. So I really hope y'all enjoyed my video, and everything will be linked down below, guys, and I'll see y'all next time.